Hello everybody, today we're going to make an ooey gooey cake. I have an 11 by 15 stone and I have a piece of parchment paper that I've cut out to fit in the bottom of it so it doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. It helps when you're going to get the cake out of the pan. We're going to use 4 eggs. I have 8 ounces of cream cheese. I just weigh mine out because I get the big 3-pound pack. So this is 8 ounces of cream cheese, a stick of butter, a box of yellow cake mix, any kind, and then we have the powdered sugar. First, what we're going to do is we're going to melt our butter. We're going to add our cake mix, and we're going to use 1 egg, and that'll be the bottom of the cake. The first step in making the ooey gooey cake, we have our butter melted in our bowl, our box of cake mix to the butter. Okay, and just mix your butter in with your cake mix. The butter's kind of warm, so we're going to wait a little bit to add the egg. Okay, now we're going to add our egg to our mixture. Make sure you scrape the sides and the bottoms good to get all the dry cake mix mixed in. Okay, now that it's all mixed in, we're going to take our pan and pour our cake mix in the bottom of our pan. And then with your clean hands, just take the cake mix mixture and line the bottom of the pan with it. Try to get it as evenly as you can. Make sure you don't have any empty spots in the bottom of the pan. All right, now we're gonna set this aside, but before we set it aside, we're gonna turn our oven on 350 and let it start heating up. Okay, we'll set this aside and we'll start on the top layer. Okay, we have our 8 ounces of cream cheese in our bowl and it's room temperature. And now we're going to add 3 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. One, 2, 3. And if you have a 1-pound box, you can use that. So 3 3/4 equals a pound box of sugar. trying to mix our sugar with our cream cheese, and then we're gonna add 3 eggs. Okay, let's add our 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that we have our 3 eggs, we're gonna go ahead and mix the eggs, the cream cheese, and the powdered sugar. You can use a mixer, which I usually do, but I figured I'd try it by hand this time. If it gets too tough, we'll just grab a mixer. Make sure you scrape the sides and the bottom to get all the dry powdered sugar. All right, it looks like it's mixed pretty good. It's mixed up pretty good, but we want to make sure that all the powdered sugar has been incorporated. Okay, that did the job. Now we're going to take our pan that has our first step in it, our cake mix, our egg, and our butter. Now we're going to pour the cream cheese, the egg, and the sugar on the top of it. So you just want to spread this evenly over the top of the cake mix. All right, now our oven is preheated. So we're gonna put it in the oven for 30 minutes and check it. And then if it's not, it says 30 to 40 minutes. So we're gonna just bake it for 30 minutes and then we're gonna check and see what it looks like. And set the timer for 30 minutes. And we'll check it when it's done in 30 minutes. Okay, the oven is done. It's been 30 minutes. So we're gonna look at it. It needs to be a golden brown on top. Oh, and it looks like it's ready. This is our Ooey Gooey cake. It's been 30 minutes in the oven. All ovens are different. So you need to check, see how long. It may take a little bit longer or a little less time. But it needs to look like this, where it's a little golden brown on top and the edges are a little bit brown. So we're gonna let it cool off for a little bit and then we're gonna try it. Okay, the Ooey Gooey cake is ready. It's just still a little bit warm, but we're gonna cut a piece so we can try it. It's not steaming. I usually cut it in squares. So we're gonna cut a square. And you can put it in a cake taker and bring it wherever you want to. I usually put parchment paper between the layers. All right. So here it is. Okay, here is the piece of Ooey Gooey cake in the plate, and we have our tester. So this is Mackenzie, and she's gonna test the Ooey Gooey cake and let us know how she likes it.
It's delicious. I love it when my Nana makes it because it tastes super good.